Let's cut that out, huh? All right, here's the hill. Haven't been up it since last fall. It's got some leaves and stuff. You can't really see it, but halfway up there is just like a mini whoop section of roots. That's what always screws me up if I have problems here. But now that we've got a legit tire, let's go see what we can do. Guys, we were on like 94, 95% battery. We're still at 81. Battery seems to last really long on this. All right, let's go. Didn't have it all. Whoa. Okay. So I started to wheelie a little bit. I actually had it wide open down there at the bottom. But you can see on this bike, I'm able to run into an issue on a steep hill climb like that, let off the throttle, and then roll back on it without spinning the wheel, bogging down, anything like that. I'm okay. I can't do that. You just can't do that on a gas bike. 300 two-strokes, the closest thing you got. And even my 300 out here won't do that. Whoa. The rain's starting to come down, so I'm not gonna climb this mountain much higher. I mean, we're just bashing over logs. Just the Surron Ultra B. Told you guys before, I'm not a big fan of Surron North America. Not really the company, but they're a North American distributor. Very hard to work with. The brand is cool. I'm kind of excited for other brands to bring an offering around this size. I think Talari has got something like this. Is it the Dragon? Guys, I'm sure this doesn't look steep on video, but I am way back, like over the back of the bike. There's the goggles from those 100%, or the lenses from those 100%. Whew, that thing is tough to go down. We're gonna have to start getting some more lines in that, or else it's gonna become one rut. All right. Oh, wish there was a way to get away from this mud. Here we go. Looks like the deer have made their own way. Mostly get out of the mud. I keep the GoPro wiped off because it is raining. Nice. All right, gotta love GoPro batteries. It died even though it says it's 37%. Let's go up this. Oh my God, oh my God. Runoff right there. A little bit of slide on that rock. Ooh. Check it out. Ah, this is nasty. Nowhere to go now. So where a bike like this comes in handy. All right, back down the hill. turn track. Dang, turn track is dry. I did not realize it was this dry. The turn track, it's definitely more stable, but on the turn track you notice the loss of power even more. All right, I was wide open most of the way up that. Now this jump, if you remember, I would come around this on the light B and I would have to hold it wide open from, I'll show you. So on the light B, whoa, on the light B, I'd have to start wide open at this dip. All right, so the turn track just needs the disc put on it and it's ready to go. Sweet.